With this online class, you'll learn to help your dog's hips with massage, acupressure, and more. You'll also be learning to help other areas like the back and shoulders that are stressed from compensating for the hips. You'll be getting 8 weeks of video, audio, and email lessons that you can access on your own schedule. And you'll be learning from many professionals, all sharing their advice about hip issues in dogs. Many dogs have hip pain or weakness, whether or not they have hip dysplasia. And the most common treatments for hip pain or weakness in dogs typically involve expensive medications and even surgeries, which can in turn create new problems for your dog. I'm not against using these options when necessary. I give my own 15-year-old dog Jessie medication for her arthritis. But why not include less invasive and often much less expensive natural options like massage and acupressure that you can do yourself at home with a little coaching? No dog is too young to start receiving these treatments from you, ideally before they develop pain as they get older. You may even be able to help your dog delay or avoid problems like arthritis with regular massage. And if your dog has hip issues, then he's certain to have or to develop problems in other areas like the back and shoulders, which can also be greatly helped by the techniques and information I will share with you. This convenient online go-at-your-own-pace class includes massage and acupressure skills, along with other types of bodywork techniques, assessment techniques, anatomy information, and coaching. You'll get 8 weeks of video lessons, but you can take as long as you need to watch them. You'll get regular emails with extra tips and to remind you to practice. There will be 8 expert interviews. These are audio recordings sharing even more tips and advice. The professionals interviewed include veterinarians, a chiropractor, acupuncturist, swim therapy practitioner, and various body workers. You'll get 8 Anatomy Connections lessons to go with each of the techniques learned in your video lessons. And these lessons will also include information on reading your dog's feedback to improve communication and trust during a massage. You'll get coaching teleclasses responding to students' questions from their practice, and a bonus ebook, Massaging My Dog, a guided journal. And of course, you'll have my email to get more questions answered as you go. And there's a no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee. Remember, you get to attend your lessons anytime, anywhere that's convenient for you. You can take as long as you want to go through all the lessons. You can hit rewind or pause anytime and watch the videos over and over. You don't have to travel anywhere, which can be expensive and inconvenient. And of course, you can practice with your own dog at home. Maybe most important of all, you'll be learning gradually and practicing over at least 8 weeks. This helps you create new habits and also helps your dog learn about massage gradually too. How often have you learned something only to try it a few times and then set it aside and forget about it? With this online multimedia format, you'll get the lessons delivered a little at a time, so it's not overwhelming and with too much information to absorb all at once. And each time you get a new lesson or tip in your email, you'll be reminded to take a few minutes to practice, and your skills will build quickly. And the power of the internet makes this education much more affordable. You could easily pay anywhere from $400 to $1,000, not including travel expenses or time away from work, for a class that would cover this kind of information in person, and without all the other advantages of the online format. Remember, you can take as long as you need to watch your videos and read your other lessons and emails, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead and get started today while my offer is right here in front of you. Try it out and see how much your dog will thank you.